Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy and I'm currently out of breath because I just got home from a doctor's appointment and it is actually super dark out, and I checked my mail and I'm so excited. I have my first ever Lavish bath box, and this is the October one, the Halloween one, and I'm so excited. If you guys did not know, I'm a huge fan of spooky season, Halloween, fall, all of that. Hence the reason why my background is like this. A lot of people think that this is just Halloween background, but some of this is up here to stay. I have always just been a fan of just skulls, spooky stuff, and all that. And I worked today, cleaned a few houses, had my doctor's appointment, had to run a few errands, and I am just in a big comfy sweater. If you're wondering where I got this big old comfy hoodie at, it's one of those like fuzzy ones. I love it. I got this at Burlington, and they have like the cutest sweaters there. Anyway, I was introduced to the Lavish bath box from Chip, Moments with Chip here on from YouTube. I will link her channel right above for you guys. Go check her out. She always does unboxings of this, and every once in a while she collects up some products to do a giveaway. And I've just been so interested and been wanting to get this box for so long, and since October's my birthday month, October 4th was my birthday, I treated myself to getting this box, and I'm just so excited. So if you guys are interested to find out what Lavish bath box is all about, how much it is, and what's in this box, then just keep watching. Okay, so Lavish Luxe Box every month is $38.95, I'm pretty sure, plus tax, and they work with smaller companies like indie companies and things like that. It's cruelty-free products, vegan, and you get bath and body products. And I always say this on my channel, it is so important to take care of yourself, and one great way to do that is to obviously pamper yourself and take a bath. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to hop onto this box because I'm so excited. If you guys have not seen my previous video of me opening the... I'm so excited, I need to breathe. Of me opening the Halloween mystery box, like the from Twisted Allure. I will link that above for you guys so you can go check that out as well. But Twisted Allure is she sells bath bath scrubs, bath bombs, lotions, perfumes, and room sprays and stuff like that. And I got a box from it, and I know that she's gonna have, they teamed up with her and obviously a few other people to for some stuff in this box. So I can't really think about what I'm trying to say because I'm just like so excited. It already smells so good. Okay, I see one little hint of a thing in here and I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, guys, like I said, smells freaking amazing. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out. So this is a Lavish bath box, October 2019. Something in here smells amazeballs, and they have all the products on back, which I'm so excited about. And the first product I'm going to pull out is from Twisted Allure. Oh my gosh, how cute! And this is just a little mini version. I didn't know she must have put them in like little smaller ones, because the ones that you can get are like 2 times the size of this. But this is the Twisted Allure Jason Rises Whipped Sugar Scrub. Now, in my previous video, I did show that I got one of the whipped sugar scrubs, and it is so amazing. It smells so good. So this right here is top with your favorite slasher, Jason. This exfoliating whipped sugar scrub is scented in a decadent love spell fragrance, a fresh blend of fruits and florals, sweetened with vanilla. So let's open this up, and they always, yes. Okay, how freaking cute is that? And this smells amazing. This smells actually exactly like the one that I got, the purple and black one, which is called Black Magic, I'm pretty sure. And this right here on top is actually a soap. So just how cute. I think I was holding it upside down. So this is what it looks like. You have like Jason on top with like blood splatter. So super awesome. This one definitely seems a bit, I think it's because it was cold outside. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this smells so good. The one that I have smells a little bit more like, if you guys aren't, this says that obviously it is in the scented of Love Spell. If you're not familiar with Love Spell, I'm pretty sure it's the smell from Bath and Body Works, and it just smells really good. But this one has kind of more of a smell of like vanilla to it, which I really like. So super cute. Very excited to try this out. And I will have all of the information down below. I will link all of their Instagrams and stuff, so if you're interested in checking out their site. I do have to tell you guys right now, though, since I am familiar with Twisted Allure, she has no bath bombs available at all, which I was a little upset over because I really wanted to try some of her bath bombs, but getting one of these again is pretty cool. Okay, pulling something else out. Oh, my heart. Okay, yesterday I was sitting in bed, like last night I was sitting in bed, and someone posted up a spoiler of this box, and I saw a little head like this, and I was like, no spoilers, and I like threw my phone because I just could not. I did not want to see any spoilers, but this right here, I am so freaking excited, guys. So this is the Edward Scissorhands Bath Bomb. This is from Boil and Bubble, and I actually almost got a few things from them, but it was just, I think they're based out of Canada. I think so. All I know is that the shipping was just a little bit more than I wanted to spend. But this is Feel As Free as Kim Dancing in the Snow in the beautiful detailed bath bomb filled with colorful embeds and scented in zesty lemon, peach, raspberry, pearl, plum, grape, and vanilla. Feel as free as Kim. I don't know why I get that, but this is a little, obviously, Edward Scissorhand yummy blend of lemon, orange, peach, raspberry, pear, plum, grape, and sugared vanilla. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is just so cute. I'm so glad I finally got like a bath bomb. And this is a very like heavy duty bath bomb. And that's like super detailed. I'm totally going to take a bath and I will totally put up my reaction using this. Maybe I'll actually do it in this video because I'm kind of sort of wanting to take a bath tonight. So we'll try this out and I'll put up a video clip right here. All right, next up, I am pulling out, yes! Okay, this right here is the Camp Crystal Lake Bath and Body Oil. Now, this right here is welcome to Camp Crystal Lake. Take a dip in our ultra moisturizing waters with this shimmery bath and body oil scented in blueberry, bergamot, blackberry, vanilla, and a hint of musk. And this is from Red Ferns Bath Treats. And I will have some coupon codes for you guys. I will link them down below for you guys. But it says shake well, and this is just so freaking gorgeous. I will add some of this in the bath that I used tonight as well, so I'll show you guys that right here. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. My neighbors are probably like, what in the world? Holy crap. Okay, this is the Oogie Boogie Bath Bomb. Are you ready to boogie with the Oogie? Bring Halloween Town to your tub with this extra large and deep purple hand-painted bath bomb scented in firewood and birch Vermont. And this is from the Witch's Bath. Oh my gosh. Like, this is absolutely stunning. Ugh. I don't know which one I want to use tonight. I said I would use this one, so I'm going to totally use that one. I am so excited to try this out, guys. This is freaking gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. And I feel like this is exactly what was making the box smell amazing. Oh, no, it's this one. It's both. This one smells really freaking good, though. Oh my gosh, cute. So cute. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Yes, this is one that I saw we had a sneak peek. Now, you guys, I am so excited because I just love bath bombs. I don't know what it is lately. I'm just obsessed with bath bombs. So this right here is the Jimmy's Roses Shower. Wait, did I get? No, this is it's shower time. It's shower time bubble bar. So this is supposed to be kind of like a Beetlejuice looking kind of bubble bar, and I have never used a bubble bar before, so I'm so excited to try this out. Apparently you can totally just break off a piece of these and use it for bubbles, or you can use the whole thing. Knowing me, I'll probably, gosh, it smells so good. I'll probably end up using the whole entire thing to get tons of bubbles out from it, but again, I will keep using these, and then when I use them, I'll put it up on Instagram and tag it. So be sure you follow me on Instagram. I do have 3 different Instagrams, guys, but follow me on this Instagram right here so you can check out my makeup looks. Obviously, I'm not wearing makeup today, but this is where I kind of post all my vlogs, this is where I post all of my reviews on products, not just makeup. Okay, next up, there's this right here. Ooh. Okay. This smells amazing. So this right here is the, let's see. So this is a Jimmy Rose's shower steamer. And this is a Lavish exclusive. So this right here is plant roses and lavender for luck and fall in love whenever you can. This shower steamer is scented with lavender, essential oils, and tied off with Mariah's handed rope for protection. It's a perfect way to unwind before bed or your midnight margaritas. So this is one of the shower steamers, like you said. So you just put it into your shower, and it's supposed to just help you wake up and, you know, breathe like, I don't know how to explain it. I do like lavender, but this right here, I've just used one of these before, and I just wasn't a big fan of using a shower steamer just because I feel like, I don't know, it just didn't work out for me. So this right here will be going in an upcoming giveaway here on my channel. Be sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that because that video is going to be up very, very shortly. Yeah. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I feel like this paper in here just smells really freaking good. And it says made for humans. Designed by unicorns, made for humans. That is so funny. Okay, so I'm super happy with this box. I'm really glad that I got it. To go over again what we got that shower steamer, like I said, which will be in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Then we got the bath bomb, the Edward Scissorhands bath bomb, which is so darn cute. Then we got the Jason Rises whipped sugar scrub, which I have already tried mine out from my other previous box that I got, and it is just amazing. And it's just awesome. And then we got this bubble bar, which I'm so excited about. We also got the bath and body oil, which is just absolutely gorgeous. And then we got this big old freaking bath bomb right here, which I'm so excited about. This baby is going to be making me a very, very, very extremely happy one of these nights when I sit and take a very hot bath. And it's probably going to be after my vacation because I'm going on vacation with my best friend. Well, I'm going to go see my best friend Brittany here soon. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking. If you guys want to check out any of these places that sell any of these bath bombs, bath bombs, bath products, bath scrubs, sugar scrubs, anything, I will link all of these below, and plus with their 10% off coupon code, which is absolutely awesome. And yeah, I am just so excited about this box. I am ready to go take a bath. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.